What's going on, everyone? I've had a couple requests here asking how to get the shift indicator or what gear you're in next to the D here for drive. As you see, when I put it in drive, it says I'm in first gear. So I'm gonna show you how to get that today. What you have to do is either be in park or be at a stop. I just come to a stop and put it in park. You gotta have the ignition on, obviously. My truck's running, but you can do it with just the ignition running. You're gonna go to screen setup and hit OK. And then there's so many different options in here, but you're gonna keep going. You already saw it, but I'm gonna cycle through everything just to show you. There you go, current gear, you'll hit OK. And then yours would probably be turned off. You go up to on, hit OK. And as you see there, it says settings saved. And right there, it says left arrow to exit. So left arrow, and we can go back using these arrow pads to whatever screen you typically have your truck at. So now every time you put your truck in drive, it will tell you what gear you're in, 1 through 8. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more videos like this, and follow me on all the socials. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.